Have you ever entered a trade thinking you just caught the perfect breakout, only to watch the market pull back and stop you out? Breakout trading can be one of the most profitable strategies in Forex, but only if done right. In this video, we're diving into the top 3 breakout trading strategies that can help you capitalize on those explosive moves without getting caught in false breakouts. Let's start with the first one, the classic support and resistance breakout. This is the most popular and straightforward method. You identify key levels of support and resistance, wait for price to consolidate near these levels, and then look for a breakout. What makes this powerful is confluence. If price breaks a level that has been tested multiple times, it shows conviction. The key here is confirmation. Don't just enter on the first candle that breaks the level. Instead, wait for a candle to close above or below the level with strong volume or momentum. You can also use a retest of the broken level as confirmation. That retest gives you a better entry and tighter stop loss. Next up is the volatility expansion breakout. This strategy is based on the idea that periods of low volatility are usually followed by explosive moves. Tools like Bollinger Bands or the Donchian channel can help identify these periods. When the bands squeeze together, it signals low volatility. When price breaks out of the squeeze, it often leads to a sharp move. This is where a tool like TakePropips Trading Management Solutions, EA, can come in handy. It includes Donchian channels, automated volatility analysis, and even has alerts when conditions for a breakout are forming. It removes the guesswork so you can focus on the execution. The third strategy is the trendline breakout. This involves drawing trend lines along highs and lows and waiting for price to break out of these dynamic levels. It's a favorite for identifying breakout points in trending markets. Here, context is everything. If the trendline break aligns with higher time frame structure, like a break of a daily high or low, the probability of success increases. Combine that with a strong currency bias from a tool like the built-in currency strength meter in the TakePropips EA, and you've got yourself a high-confidence setup. It not only shows you which currencies are strong or weak, but even lets you execute trades directly from that analysis panel. Now, before you jump into any breakout, remember this timing is critical. A breakout during low-volume sessions, like the Asian session, might not have the momentum you need. Focus on breakouts that happen during London or New York overlap, when there's real market participation. Risk management is also essential. You don't want to throw half your account on one breakout trade. Use predefined stop-loss levels, calculate your position size properly, and consider partial close strategies. Fortunately, that's all built into the TakePropips EA. You can even automate trailing stops, break-even moves, and partial exits, which can help lock in profits without having to sit in front of the charts all day. What makes breakout trading even more powerful is when you can stack strategies like combining trendline breakouts with volatility expansion and strength analysis. The more confirmations you have, the more confident you can be in the move. And that's exactly what professional traders do. They look for alignment across multiple factors before pulling the trigger. In summary, the top 3 breakout strategies, support and resistance levels, volatility expansion setups, and trendline breaks, each offer powerful ways to catch big market moves. But remember, it's not just about spotting the breakout. It's about managing the trade, controlling risk, and staying consistent. That's why tools like the Trading Management Solutions EA by TakePropips are so valuable. They streamline your analysis, automate your execution, and keep your risk in check. If you want to master breakout trading and actually turn setups into profits, combining these strategies with the right tools could be the game changer you've been looking for. Try them out, test them on demo, and once you find your groove, there's no limit to what you can achieve. Thanks for watching, and as always, trade smart, manage your risk, and I'll see you in the next video.